Hi guys, welcome to the Beast TV. If you are just joining us on this channel, please do so well to press on the subscribe button as we'll keep you posted on our new video. Thank you so much. Frsc starts direct collections of tax from online gaming. My people, stay tuned as I bring the full gist of this story. Nigerian Tax Agency, the Federal Inland Revenue Service, has announced that it has commenced the direct deductions and collections of tax at transaction point from online gaming companies using the Sentinel National Payments Gateway, an electronic solution. Now every day people dey smart, everybody, especially when it comes to money, people are getting smarter and smarter. Now this goes to the Frsc. They say they've now gotten and adopted a new method to be collecting tax from the online gamings. Normal people, especially an example to this are the bettings, gaming countries like gaming things like betting. People wey dey do online betting now, say dem be part of it, and some other stuffs like that involves gaming. Dem say Frsc now dem don talk am say they've adopted a means that will be helping them to be collecting tax on online game. Anybody wey don play game online like this, say normal na online everybody dey use now. Dey stake anything wey you wan stake, especially when it comes to the world of football. That's what we'll do. So now all na trick the federal government, federal inland revenue, dem don get am. Dem say if you go online, they also then go online with you. Say they know the dull. Say any game wey everybody play now, then they collect tax. The question is, say how dem go take dey do am? How is that possible? They say the only means wey dem go dey use na something wey dem call Sentinel National Payment Gateway and electronic solution. Say na the electronic solution wey dem go use. Wetin be this Sentinel wey we talk, and how e go take dey work? Say the thing, as person dey stake on the point of transaction, e go deduct their own part of money, deduct am separately and remit am to federal government account. You see say this thing, as dem talk am, the thing make sense unto say they will be making their money. That's another means of generating more money. I now hope it doesn't bounce back on the players, but with the way we dem take channel am, they are channeling it to the gaming company, not to the player. Because if they are channeling it to the player, that means they are adding to people's problem. But now it's been confirmed that they are channeling it to the companies. But invariably, if they are channeling it to the company, those companies also, they would also incorporate it. Now the one way or the other is bouncing back on the players also, one way or the other. Then at least if they pay federal government, one way or the other they will find a means of deducting it from the players also. Now players still go dey pay this money. So na so federal government, federal inland revenue people, na so dem talk am. Say na the thing wey dem go dey do now be that. Dem come say it's not limited to Nigerian gamers alone. It's not limited to them. Say people wey dey for diaspora sef, say dem still go dey pay us, as far as those people wey dey play game na Nigerians. So as dem dey do am, dem dey collect am. So they are expected, say the external law wey bind them, say as people dey pay am, dey play the game, make dem dey drop our own tax for us. Well, it is a way of generating money to the pocket of the country, but then I hope they use it for something well that will benefit the country. So na the tori make I talk, say make I just yarn you very early moment this morning. So chill my people, make I read this one for you. Make I read am again. You see, according to the statement, the executive chairman of the service, Mohammed Nami, while directing full compliance by the online gaming community, explained that the Sentinel National Payment Gateway is a transaction processing system that enables integrated payment service providers to deduct taxes at the point of transaction and immediately remit the tax deducted to the government treasury. Na to say no dull moment as dem dey remove am like this, dey direct am straight to government treasury. You see, na so e dey be o. So this Frsc is automating the administration of tax on online gaming using Sentinel National Payment Gateway and electronics. So na so everybody dey wise every day. So that's what the federal inland revenue people, that's what they are doing right now. So they are also thinking on how to get more money, how to win more money to the pocket of the country, you know. And I believe this method, if they really do am like that, yeah, I no go lie you, dem go make dem money o, dem go make am. Na so na me sef talk am say the world is entering a challenging time where there is a strong obligation on government to increase tax revenue as a percentage of GDP so as to provide much needed funding for local infrastructures and public service. Nigeria needs to innovate and harness technology to ensure that online transactions are taxed and accounted for. We have been very impressed with the Sentinel platform, which allow us to not only collect tax revenue at source but also provide us with tax reporting and monitoring tools in real time. You see am like that. So na so dem plan to do the thing. I think they are really planning to do this thing as early as possible because they are so concerned about making this money. They are so much concerned about it. Say Nigeria now, the situation wey we dey so, say we need money, and then to improve on our local infrastructures, say we need money, and then we need this money badly. So the innovation wey they are trying to do is just to leverage on technology on how to also make their money. I hope say this thing sef, if as dem dey make this money, dem no go dey yahoo people. But it makes sense sha, it makes sense, but I hope it doesn't have much implication, more hard implication on those that pays, because normal now when tax don enter now, the gaming company sef they themselves dem go wan break even, dem go wan make their profit, and na one way and na one person go dey pay am. So I hope this thing pay us. I hope it pays those people that plays online games, and I hope it pays Nigeria generally, and I hope they use the money to really benefit the citizens of Nigeria as dem talk. Na so we dey hear as dem talk. I hope they really use that to improve the local infrastructures they said they are going to improve as they've said. I hope that happen. So this is the tori I said make I bring to you. I just knack you as dey hot, my people. As this news dey drop, if you want to be enjoying it and if you want to be posted, please do well for us to subscribe to our channel. And as you're doing that, I see God blessing you. Thank you so much. My name is Adebayo.